The Touchless Portal Car Wash WashJet is a device that has been 100% designed and manufactured in Poland. Firstly, pay attention to the construction of the car wash. When designing the Portal Car Wash, we wanted to create a device that would be resistant to difficult, humid working conditions. That's why we designed the entire structure using stainless steel to protect it from the harmful effects of water. Unlike other similar products on the market, the entire structure of the BKF Portal Car Wash is made out of stainless steel. It guarantees a long product lifespan of up to 20 years. Secondly, take note of the sliding rails. We wanted the device to require minimal involvement from the investor in terms of operation and maintenance. That's why our portal includes efficient, self-lubricating sliding rails from IGUS, which are resistant to corrosion, dirt and moisture. All of this contributes to the convenience of using and servicing the product in the following years. The use of IGUS sliding rails does not require lubrication or maintenance, which will surely please anyone who has dealt with servicing similar products before. The sliding bushings are adapted to the working conditions of the car wash. Thirdly, check the hydraulics and drives. We have decided to use inverters in all the drives of the BKF Portal Car Wash. This solution not only ensures a smooth start and gentle braking of the car wash motors, but also reduces the wear and tear of mechanical components. On the other hand, it provides us with extensive diagnostic capabilities for each drive and allows us to anticipate the need for servicing or replacements of the drives. For the hydraulics, we have used the same proven elements as in the touchless car washes, which have been functioning successfully for several years. This ensures easy servicing due to the fact that the Portal Car Wash can be serviced by the same technician as the touchless BKF Car Wash. Easy access, interchangeability and availability of components. Here, too, we have met your expectations. The BKF Portal Car Wash contains the same important components as the touchless car washes. Fourthly, test the high quality of washing and drying. Portal car washes are known for the ability to effectively clean the most heavily soiled areas compared to the touchless car washes. The washing process is similar to that of self-service touchless car wash. We start by applying an active foam, which is then rinsed off by a system of 42 turbo nozzles, each with a working pressure of 70 bar. To achieve the highest washing quality, we use alkaline foam, which effectively softens the dirt during the first stage of washing. Now, we move on to a high-pressure rinsing program. In the next program, we apply wax or polish, which is designed to shine the car's body and create a protective layer against external conditions. Then, we proceed to the drying program. The dryer used in this program ensures that water droplets do not disperse but gather into larger ones, making it easier to blow them off the car's body. If the car wash owner uses good quality osmotic water, any remaining water droplets left during the drying process, free from minerals, will not leave visible marks or stains on your car. To achieve satisfactory washing and drying results, we have implemented an innovative 360 degrees rotating tube that precisely reaches every part of the car. By using photocell systems, we track the exact shape of the car, which contributes to the high quality of washing and drying. I haven't mentioned undercarriage spraying yet. The undercarriage washing system is carried out using 10 rotating nozzles that can rotate within a range of 45 degrees. The rotation is achieved using a pneumatic rotating actuator that is resistant to dirt and water. The water can be ejected from the nozzles at a pressure of 16 or 70 bar. The system can be either placed on the floor or hidden in a drain pit. The system is completely safe for the vehicles being washed. Fifthly, let's look at the car wash management. As you already know, the software for the Portal Car Washes is developed entirely in-house, which means we are 100% independent from external companies. This gives us tremendous flexibility and speed in implementing changes. Our own software is also a great competitive advantage over other manufacturers and ensures the safety of our customers. Customers who use CarWash Manager in touchless car washes on a daily basis know how important and essential this tool for managing the car wash is. That's why we have implemented all the familiar features from touchless car washes into our software for the BKF Portal Car Wash. Our software offers many configuration options, allowing you to independently change the washing rates, operating hours, or gate control. You don't need to call for service for such tasks because you can make these changes on-site or remotely online. By connecting the Portal Car Wash to the internet, you not only save time but also money. The VNC technology and CarWash Manager application provide you with access to advanced analytics, financial reports, alarm systems, parameter changes, and much more. You have control over your car wash and your entire business at any time of the day or year from anywhere in the world. Lastly, we provide the possibility of connecting touchless and portal technologies into one system. This means you can utilize the technical room of the touchless car wash and partially utilize its components. The Portal Car Wash will be able to use the water softener and reverse osmosis of the touchless car wash, which facilitates the implementation of the new solution and saves space in the technical room. I hope you enjoyed this video presentation, and I encourage you to subscribe our YouTube channel and stay up to date with our latest developments and products from BKF. Thank you and see you soon.